too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time
Because of the lake.
No, because it's free, it's bigger. Here you need to pay, isn't it?
The parking. But
It's
you know,
40 or 26 per hour.
but you, €4.26.
Per hour. It's like our under house. So we pay.
But remember, there's Euromast here.
Yeah. But the Euromast is on the other side of the road.
Yeah, so we're speaking about it. Euromast is over there.
the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we can be okay.
Wow.
Oh, she's so down.
The people have come here. Yeah, that's guy up there.
I really hope that you will choose to stay through war.
They look like the owners of these beautiful cars.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
No, at this moment, this little cute boy who has been begging the mom to have a little one was trying to go closer to Keona. Wow, that was so beautiful. So she was asking the mom, "Hi, can I go closer to the baby? I don't know what to do. The baby's so little." Sounds like it's okay, just go. It's so nice. The good part about this, the baby is Italian Russian.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. Very good.
So this is called the Head Park. Okay, so it's literally good. So babe, do you think it's right that I need to look for a tutor
For what?
to speak good Italian?
No.
Really? Being a fellow person is not easy. I think I'll master it on my own. Huh? You think I'll master it on my own?
Yes.
Really? How? With who?
Me.
You should be the one initiating the talk.
Yeah. Study, reading a little.
I am doing that already. But it seems I'm not there yet. Actually, when I'm on my own, I'm good. When I'm in the actual battle area, I know nothing. Literally nada. Why am I asking him? I can't laugh this hard. I'm begging. I'm asking him to record me, but I'm already knowing. Like, literally, I already know it's not gonna look good. So I'm like, be creative, don't stand at one point. Do you think if movies were recorded at one point, they'll be interesting? They'll be boring. So move, be creative, go up and down, come forward, go back. This is how you take good shots. Literally, he was standing at one point.
You had this idea.
I had it. Don't come.
Me?
Don't come. Oh, let's jump fast.
That's the thing. Vieni a papà.
Let's go. I think she knows what she is.
Stay in the middle.
No matter what, water will never leave me. I time to go. Really? I don't believe.
I will show you.
Why is the river of the baby? My dear. Actually, something went inside my eye. I don't know what that is. Nature walk. Do you think this road will take us back to the park?
Yeah, because now there is a lake here. We need to go around a bit.
This is a pond and not a lake.
Yeah, no lake. I will see. Even Central Park.
So the park was designed in 1852. It's an English landscape style. The park houses and mini golf courses, benches, and a barbecue area, and it's such a very serene environment. A number of people speak good of it, and we were like, oh, let's try and see how it looks like. And we're not disappointed. It's huge, it's beautiful, and not parked compared to the other park that is close to the lake down in Clarensbos. So this place was kind of like, oh wow, this place is nice. We loved it here. So the park is absolutely stunning. I think if you go them during spring or autumn, it might be more beautiful. I don't know, I think so. I think this place is nice to come and stroll. And if you're planning to go and visit the Euromast, or you want to do a splash tour, visit amazing Oriental supermarket, of course have a traditional Dutch meal. There's a place called the D Balentet close by. It's very nice too. So today was our day to be around this area, and we have enjoyed here.
Stay safe.
What are those things? This is really splendid and cool. Kiki! Kiki! Stop! Where, Papa? Where, Papa? Where's Papa? No, Papa is over there. Ah, finally. I'm really getting. This is a very forced exercise of chasing her. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Run, Mama. Ooh. Family of 3 at the park, while one person of our family is having a snack. How about us? Do you have a snack?
You're on diet.
We are on diet.
Which
Only
is why I
care.
told you, do you want a gum? That is all this now.
A gum, literally. I'll get hungrier if I eat the gum right now. So, park trip led to the place where we can eat some street Surinamese food, and I'm having this roasted pork. It tastes like it has sugar in it, but I'm trying to kind of figure it out, and I think maybe they put inside the beetroot. First of all, is beetroot sweet? Yeah, I think so, because it's so red, but it tastes nice. And then having fries with mayonnaise. No, don't throw away. Oh, I'm telling her, don't throw the bottle away. She says, oh. Actually, the pork they gave me with this, I don't know if it's cucumbers or zucchini. I think it's cucumbers. Such a combination. I literally didn't know they really would go together. But I'm loving the fries with mayonnaise. So the sauce nowadays that I'm so into is mayonnaise. I don't like ketchup. I don't mind, but I don't prefer ketchup if there's mayonnaise.
No sauce? I don't know. Thank you. I'll come. Okay, yeah.
You want to try?
No,
It's a little spicy.
mine is just perfect.
Yeah.
So Antonio is having this, what is it called?
Mexicano.
Mexicana.
Mexicano.
Mexicano. Meaning it's from Mexico.
Yeah.
It's like a meat in the bread. So really? Breads are for breakfast, according to me. Only breakfast goes with bread.
It's Mexicano because it's chili, I think. That is why they call it.
And then I took it off. I tried to give her a chips with mayonnaise. She sucked fucking mayonnaise and she was like, what the hell? She didn't like it either. That means she doesn't know all these good tastes. Just very close to the. So now we're done. I've eaten. I'm full, energized. Now I'm willing to go back to the park. Are you going to the park or are you going to the car? The time I came here looking for a flag, Tanzanian flag, and like I hustled. I saw the one of Kenya and Namibia. Africa representing, this one is South Africa, and literally Tanzania is here. Like it's this one here, this one here. Yes, wind, show me my flag please. Wind, and there's Malawi. Wind, show me my flag. It is what it is. Baby, this is a restaurant or it's a gym? This is my life.
This is my life.
My life. Is my life a gym or a restaurant?
Yoga.
Keona is sleeping. Perfecto.